Hi, my name is Mila Sonkin and I'm a volunteer for ATPF, and today we are going to be making a perfect s'more. And this is my special guest, which is also my sister, and her name is Michaela.
Hi.
Okay, so the first, here are the supplies that you need. So for each s'more, you obviously need 2 graham crackers, and we got ours pre-cut. And then you also need a piece of chocolate and a marshmallow. And the most important step is to have one of these skewers, and they can be for s'mores or they can just be long sticks. Okay, so Michaela, grab your marshmallow. Okay, so you stick it on, and the tip is to not stick your marshmallow at the top of the fire because that's going to easily catch on fire, but you kind of want to go more towards the blue parts of the fire, which is closer to the rocks or whatever, the wood or whatever you're doing your s'mores at. And Michaela, yours is about to burn. So whenever the fire comes towards you, you move it away because you don't want to risk it burning. So like I recommend this spot right here. Okay, so now the fire is moving away, so you kind of go this way. And then once you found a spot, like right here, you slowly just turn it. Okay, so there's a lot of wind right now. And you just warm it up. And you like hold, so you don't just keep on turning it, but you keep it in one spot for probably like 30 seconds, and then you turn it to a new spot. And then you keep on doing that until it's golden. And if you burn it a little bit, like that's fine. Like you just have to blow it quickly. But you're gonna want to keep it as golden as you can and not burn it. So, is yours good, Michaela?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, right now there's no wind right now, which is good. Marcellus, do you want to come in? Our brother's watching us. Marcellus, come in the video. Okay, blow it. Okay, see, that's fine. See, it's only a little.
Yeah.
Marcellus, come in the video and say hi. Here's our brother. His name's Marcellus. Okay, so we're making s'mores. Marcellus, do you know how to make a perfect s'more?
Yeah.
Okay, how do you do it?
Stick the marshmallow in until it's dark black.
That is not how you do it. Okay, well anyways, we don't need you anymore. Okay,
I'm not a good
Michaela,
person.
what you have to do, okay, I know what you're doing wrong. You're sticking it like
Right here.
you don't want there to be, it's like almost like you're not like roasting a marshmallow, you're just setting it above fire. You're warming it. You're not roasting it, you're warming it. And then it gets toasted as you warm it. I don't know how to explain it. Actually, I feel like I do. Okay, Michaela, right now, I would go right here. And don't stick it in the orange part, just warm it up. Okay, and then after, once the marshmallow is really warm, it's just gonna melt straight into the chocolate, and it's gonna be perfect.
Ooh, look at that.
Okay, the key is slow and steady. You don't wanna go fast, Michaela. See, right now, like when you go too fast and you burn it right away, there's still marshmallow in the middle that isn't cooked, and you want the whole marshmallow to be gooey. Okay, mine's getting there.
Same.
The whole process of cooking it probably takes like 2.5 minutes. Yeah.
Whoa, what does that mean?
Oh, see, okay, look at this. It's so gooey, so that means it's almost ready. You just
Yours
keep
is
it above.
always good, though. I think mine's good.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay, mine's almost ready. Is yours almost ready?
Let me see.
Yours needs more cooking at the bottom. Mine does too, but mine's gooey.
Mine's like. Well, I think mine's done.
You think yours done? Okay. Okay, let's take it down. Okay, so now, once it's perfect and golden, set your chocolate on top of your graham cracker. And then you're gonna want to put this thing on, put the skewer with the marshmallow on top, and then slowly pull out the stick. And then sometimes there's like marshmallow on it, but that's fine. That just means it's gooey and you cooked it good. Okay, taste test. 3, 2, 1.
I like it.
I like it too. Thanks for watching.